Hey, I just wanted to make a quick video reviewing a lens I just got for my iPhone to make it wide angle, or to make it be able to shoot wide angle shots, that is. Shoot wide angle shots. Anyways, it's the Todi aspherical wide angle plus macro lens. And let me show you how it works. While I take it out of the box, I'll let you know why I bought it. If anybody has an iPhone, they generally have pretty wide angle cameras, but when you go into the video mode, it crops it down significantly. And since I'm doing real estate, if I'm walking through a house or something, I want as wide of a frame as I can get. So I bought this lens. Let's get it into focus. So I'm gonna do it. There we go. It comes in this, well, this is the lens. And it has two caps on it, which protects the glass. Awesome. This is the iPhone mount. You can, like, if you have an iPhone X, it'll fit right on there perfectly. I don't know how it fits on any other phones because I have an iPhone X. It also came with this device. There we go. This, and so you can actually screw the lens into here, and then you could just clip it onto the phone if you had something other than an iPhone. It does take a little bit of work to get the clip onto the lens because, as you can tell, there is quite a bit of play in there, but it does. Let's see if the autofocus can keep up. There we go. You can see the little white lines on there that help you line it up. You want it right over the camera. That's what I'm doing. And the macro lens and the wide angle lens are all in this one piece. And something a little bit annoying is the macro lens has reverse threads. And so as you're tightening this, you can unscrew the macro lens. So just be aware of that. Otherwise you can get really frustrated really fast. There is the lens. Beautiful. Let me show you a couple examples of the pictures this thing will take. So here is a picture without the wide angle lens, and this is a picture with the wide angle lens. You can tell the one with the wide angle lens has a little bit of fogginess or haze or noise, whatever you want to call it, around the outside of the frame. I've heard a few different things about that. Maybe it's because of the small sensor size on the iPhone. It's just not designed to take pictures that wide. I've also heard it's, because it is a very inexpensive lens compared to a lens that costs a couple $100. Here's an example of the lens when it's not on straight. And this right here is, you guessed it, a leaf. And I'm using the macro lens. In order to use the macro lens, you just have to unscrew the wide angle lens from the contraption, and then it's a macro lens. Here's a selfie without the wide angle lens. Here's a selfie with the wide angle lens. And here's a very close-up selfie of my face with the macro lens. So for 25 bucks, this is a great little attachment. It takes a little bit of time to set up. I think it's worth it. It gives some nice wide angle shots. It looks, you know, kind of funky, but if you're actually using it, it's great. If you're taking wide angle photography, I mean, you know, this isn't a DSLR or anything, but if you're just wanting to, let's say in my case, show somebody a house or just give somebody a really good idea of a space, or just FaceTime, you can also flip this around and you could use it on the selfie cam too. So it works well. I'm a fan. I approve.